Say hello to iSensor Snap-in. It is a pre-assembled fixed-angle sensor which should be used when replacing TPMS sensors on vehicles originally equipped with rubber sensors such as Ford Fiestas, Focus and Vauxhall Corsas, etc. The sensor is also ideal for winter wheel sets as the rubber stems do not corrode like aluminium stemmed TPMS sensors. The iSensor Snap-in is speed rated up to 130 miles per hour and should not be used on vehicles travelling at higher speeds. For such applications, always use our clamp-in iSensor. This video shows you how to fit a programmed snap-in iSensor, so let's get to it. First we remove the valve cap and then insert the sensor through the rim hole, leaving the iSensor branding visible. Next we hold the sensor in place, attaching our special TPMS snap-in valve puller, making sure we screw in enough valve thread. We now let the rubber block touch the wheel rim and ensure it's pulling the valve straight alongside it to ensure it correctly seats or snaps onto the rim. When positioned correctly, simply lever the valve puller down to seat the valve. Now simply unscrew your valve puller. Use our special pre-torqued valve core key to ensure the core is sufficiently tightened. Your snap-in sensor is now correctly fitted and you can fit the tyre, inflate it and replace the valve cap. Don't forget to ensure your sensor is fitted to the same wheel position if you have copied the original sensor ID.